The solution for this example, first thing we need to work out is what is the repayment per month required. So for that we're going to use the PMT function. What's the rate? So that one over there. Don't forget to divide by 12. What's the period of the loan? It's over there. What's the present value? It's over there. We're not given a future value, so we can assume we're getting to 0. What's the type? I'm going to assume it's end of period. So when I say OK, we've got a number there, 4,600. In this cell here, we're going to create an opening balance. So what we need to do for now, we could do either equals to that cell, or I'm going to put a 0 there. We've drawn down 100,000. We need to work out what the interest charge is. So this is going to be equals to, I'm going to open a bracket. I'm going to say the opening balance plus any drawdown, close brackets, multiplied by my interest rate with dollar signs, divide by 12. So that gives us the interest charge. The repayment amount, we've already calculated it, so I'm going to go equals to that cell, put the dollar signs on. So that's the closing balance. The opening balance, we know for buckets we need to say equals to that one there. Be careful here, you can't copy that because remember we only draw it down once, and that's why it's in blue, it's an input. I'm just going to highlight these two, put them here so it does the calculation. And now I can highlight all of those, go to the end of my 24-month period, paste it, and you'll see you've got your interest charge, your repayments, and at the end of 24 months, as we expect, it comes to 0.